Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn SMG later logo design. Let us start. Select the rectangle tool. Create the shape. Choose the fill color black, and turn off the stoke. Shape position rotate. Select the direct selection tool, and round the top two corners. Right-click on the shape. Go to Transform and Reflect. Adjust the shape. Select all shape. Select the Shape Builder tool. Shape the Unite. OK, good look, the ready heart. Select the pen tool, draw the line. Copy the line. Press Ctrl D, copy duplicate line. Select all line. Mouse the right button hold, press the Alt button, release the hold key mouse, duplicate line. Rotate the line. Select all line. Increase the size. Heart shape, adjust the center line. Create the offset path. Select all shapes. Select the Shape Builder tool. Create the letter M in the heart. Create the letter G in the heart. Create the letter S in the heart. Delete the outside line. Increase the stroke size. Go to the Object menu, Shape, Expand. Go to the Pathfinder tool, Unite Shape. OK, good, SMG. The letter design is ready. Thank you for watching my video.